Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So today's look, as you can see, is more of like a glam look. Okay, so like all of my looks are quite glam, but this one's extra glam because I use black. I try and do things that aren't like mega complicated, and I think this is one that's, it's not too hard because it doesn't really need to be super blended and super precise. Other than the winged liner, I think everything else, it can be like smoky and a bit messy and stuff, and it'll still, you know, look super glam. And like that was the effect, if that makes sense. Like when you're doing a smoky eye, you can be super messy because you can just say that's what you meant to do. That was basically the thought behind this. Something that I can make mistakes on and it'll still look good. So it's super smoky, as I said. So like basically I just threw a lot of black onto my eyes, blended it out, and yeah. But if you can do a winged liner, you can pretty much do this look. So this is today's tutorial. If this looks like something you would like to recreate, then keep on watching and I will show you how I did it. So yeah, without further ado, I will, you know, do all the editing and start the video. Okay, so to start off today's video, I'm going to take the Freedom eyebrow pomade. I've got this in dark brown, I think the shade is, and I'm just going to start filling in my brows. As you can see, just taking it quite dark at the end and then a bit lighter towards the front. I'm then going to go in with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer, and I'm going to use this to prime my lids, just putting a little bit on and then just blending it out. I'm also going to use this to carve out my brows too. And I'm also going to set it with some translucent powder. I'm then going to go into the JACLYN Hill palette by Morphe, and I'm going to go into this light pinkish, warmish, brownish kind of shade. I don't know how to describe it, but I'm just going to use this shade as a transition shade. Just running that through the crease on a fluffy blending brush. And then I'm just going to go straight into the darker shades and go into this proper burnt orange shade, and also run this through the crease, but I'm going to take it quite lightly so it's not too pigmented because it is quite a pigmented shade. And then I'm just going to take it on a denser, flatter, smaller brush, and I'm just going to start precisely putting that onto the lid, through the crease, and just to darken up the lower part of the eye, if that makes sense. Don't want it too dark through the crease and above towards the brow, so I'm just going to focus this more on the lid and through the crease, and then blend it out to make it softer and blow it out just with a lighter hand. And then I'm going to take this burgundy shade from the palette also, and I'm also just going to use this to darken up that shade. This just adds dimension, just makes it a little bit more exciting, but like you don't have to do this. You could literally use the orange and the black and it would have the same sort of effect.
Anything you want, I'll give it up. Lips I kiss. Bite me while I taste your fingertips. They drunk into the night. Wanna keep you here, cause you dry my tears. Yes, I'm up, loving and fight. How it is for us, and it's all because.
And then I did just do a half cut crease, but this is definitely not necessary. Hence why I didn't really keep it in, but that's what I did. And then I just went over it with the orange shade once again. But like I said, it's totally unnecessary. But I just wanted to show you exactly what I did. And then I just went in with this Maybelline Master Precise eyeliner pen, and I just started creating like quite a straight wing, but obviously taking it a lot higher than I normally would, in quite a big V. So like it goes all the way to the top of the lid towards the crease, and then I just filled it in and created a normal line towards the inner corner, if that makes sense. I'm really bad at like describing, but hopefully you watching it makes more sense than my words describe.
Bodies we just use for fun. Bodies, let's use them up till every little piece is gone. Let's go on and on and on. Let's go on and on. Let's go. Oh, now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me. Swear it won't take you long if you love me right. We fuck for life, on and on and on. Now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so.
I'm then going to take the black from the JACLYN Hill palette, and I'm just going to start blending that eyeliner into that orange shade and smoking it out so that you can't see that wing anymore. You can just see it, like the tip of it, if that makes sense, and then you just see it blend in. Again, I know this doesn't make very much sense, but hopefully what you can see makes more sense than what I am saying.
You got a perfect one, so put it on me. Now if we're talking body, you got a perfect one, so put it on me.
This took a little bit of time and effort to do. This is probably the most work that you have to do because black is difficult to blend. So never go in with a heavy hand if you're using black. Always take a little bit and then build up on it, as you can see, and just keep blending until it is seamless, because it is going to take a bit of time. And then unfortunately my camera didn't film me doing the mascara and the lashes, but I literally just applied a pair of the Hana lashes by Pinky Go and a few coats of mascara. And then for the lower lash line, I just took some of that orange shade again and ran that along the lower lash line, and then just applied some of this NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil in Black Bean and just smudged it out using the black shade from the palette. I did again go back in with the orange and the red shade just so it matched the top a bit more. Didn't want it just one solid black colour, so I did just add some of the warmer shades as well, just to make it look, you know, so that it matched, if that makes sense. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. I will hopefully see you all very soon. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys enjoyed, please give the video a like, leave me a comment, and do click the subscribe button and click the bell icon as well so you don't miss any more of my videos, and I will see you all very soon. Thanks everyone. Bye.